Its luxury cabin, featuring a factory-installed HVAC system, delivers year-round comfort, whether it's -10 degrees or 110 degrees. From premium seats and a sound-dampening headliner to sealed power windows and an electric tip-out windshield, the Highland's interior feels more luxury SUV than UTV. A powerful 998cc liquid-cooled three-cylinder engine delivers smooth, reliable performance with exceptional torque for tough tasks and rugged terrain. The state-of-the-art HVAC system is seamlessly integrated into a tightly sealed cabin that keeps noise, dust, and weather outside where they belong. Strategically placed vents deliver even, consistent airflow, while the 150-amp charging system ensures the HVAC operates at peak performance. The intuitive dash-mounted switches are built tough and easy to operate, whether gloved or barehanded. This someone-friendly interface provides real-time information at your fingertips. Access maps, vehicle diagnostics, and Apple CarPlay with just a tap, ensuring you stay informed and entertained on every adventure. Repeat, this high-output system ensures consistent operation of the factory-installed HVAC while leaving room for additional light kits, accessories, and tech upgrades. Both Highland's cargo bed boasts a 1,000-pound capacity, built with durable materials to handle everything from gravel to heavy gear. The electric hydraulic tilting mechanism simplifies unloading, enabling quick and efficient emptying of heavy loads with minimal effort.